3D modeling with the Cadmatic design solution has been made extremely user-friendly. It is also easy to learn and implement. Specification-driven routing automates modeling to a large degree, and changes can be made to the model without fuss. Equipment can be easily selected either directly from the library or by using the P&I diagram integration information link in the model. It can then flexibly be placed and orientated in the model, according to the user's wishes. The model coordinates can be configured and utilized when placing components in the model, so the use of absolute coordinates is not necessary. This pump has, for example, been automatically selected via the P&I diagram integration, and it only needs to be placed and orientated in the model. On returning to the diagram, we can see which items have been installed in the model and which not. Installed items are highlighted. In Cadmatic, it is easy to zoom in and out and rotate the views to see behind or underneath components. Cadmatic Online Collision Control alerts the user to any collisions, and the Collision Control tool can be used to investigate case-based collisions. Several automatic routing methods and a wide selection of other navigational commands are available to create the right position, coordinates and values for the pipe locations. Elbows and piping components are automatically selected and inserted according to the piping specifications. The specifications ensure compatibility of connections, branches, flanges and pressure classes, for example. Specification-driven routing ensures that the user can't use the wrong components. And much of the routing is automated, as can be seen in the example. Cadmatic's transparency feature allows the user to follow routing or see active objects that are hidden behind components. Placing valves is also easy, and in this case the valve positions and components have been defined in the P&I diagram. The correct materials are automatically selected and the user does not have to define components. If preferred, 3D modeling can be conducted without the P&I diagram integration. Pipes can be flexibly modified in many different ways by cutting, joining, stretching and shrinking them in different directions to the desired locations. The user can easily slide valves to the correct positions. Changing and modifying components is equally straightforward. Valve orientation, for example, is changed easily. Elbows can be given a different radius, or if there are several in a pipeline, they can all be changed simultaneously with the aid of a few mouse clicks. The nominal size of pipes can be altered easily as shown in the example. When objects connected to a pipeline are moved, the pipes reconnect automatically without any further input from the user. This saves a lot of time and effort on behalf of the designer. All piping layout drawings are automatically changed if accepted by the designer when there are modifications in the model. All annotations are also updated at the same time. This guarantees the quality of drawings. Piping isometric drawings can be fully automatically generated from the model. Large isometric drawings can be split into several sheets if needed. All required manufacturing information contained, for example, in component lists can be presented on the drawings ready for workshop use. All kinds of material takeoffs can be generated directly from the model. Cadmatic provides good compatibility with Microsoft products such as Excel. Project follow-up reports can easily be published in HTML formats, for example. Routing air ducts and cable trays is similar to pipe routing, and standard components such as vertical drops, TPCs, and making changes in nominal size are again effortlessly added. Cadmatic has several functions for creating steel structures. The railing settings and the amount of vertical and horizontal pipes per meter are easily adjusted. Entire stair structures can be created with a few mouse clicks. Once the material specifications for railing sidebars and steel steps are defined, the software automatically creates the structure according to the given points in the model. Gratings and related settings are also easily created and adjusted. The philosophy of Cadmatic 3D design is to ease designers' work through automation and to reduce errors and save time. Contact your closest Cadmatic representative for a full demonstration of how Cadmatic can optimize your design work.